playing around with the leftovers from this last paper pumpkin kit. Oh my gosh, does that look great? Doesn't that look like an orange or a lemon? Okay, that turned out way better than I was even hoping that it would. Oh, and how am I going to do this? Okay, got it. I got a plan. Cutting myself a mask because I want one behind the other, not looking like a balloon that you can see through. So now I just want to catch the edges because I'm going to be cutting. Perfect. Yay. Oh, I'm excited at how this is turning out. Look at that. Isn't that great? Okay, I'm going to come back and do this one a little darker, especially just around the edge. I love it. I love it. This is great. I'm excited. I'm so excited that I did this. Now, let's see how I can do the leaves. I think that works.